How to select apps that you want to play on different audio device on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, scroll down and click on separate app sound. After click on separate app sound, make sure turn on now button. After turn on now button, click on apps. So you will, if you want to add apps, so you will add app from here. After add app, so you will see app list is here. So add app. After add app, go back and click on audio device. So you will select phone and Bluetooth device. Click on Bluetooth device. Go back and click on connection and click on Bluetooth. Connect device and play music. You will see. So that's how you can select apps that you want to play on different audio device on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.